Well, what makes Reimage so special is that the product, there's nothing like it online right now. The concept is brilliant. No one has thought of it until now. And so the concept of bringing a PC, I guess you would say a broken down PC, and clicking online and getting that PC repaired without having to leave your desk. It's a brilliant concept. And until now, we're the first ones to come up with that idea. Our partnership, I guess you'd say, with R&D is that when an issue arises, we open up a ticket, a trouble ticket, and we give the details of that ticket to the R&D with all the errors and what issues the specific customer is having. We send it to them. The developers there will take that information and then make adjustments within the program. And then the next time that issue arises, it's no longer an issue. Reimage is constantly evolving. The product, of course, with technology changing each and every day, there are going to be new issues. So we're evolving with technology. So as those new issues arise, we evolve as well and come up with new solutions for those new issues. We're kind of like the PC tech at the click of a button. So if a person has an issue with their PC, Reimage is there to fix their issue online.